Okay, so here we are looking at what the Pennsylvania mini bike thing used to look like originally, and now here's what it looks like now. Anyhow, I used a bunch of Chinese electric scooter stuff on this one. I used the front fork and front brake and stuff on it, and out here we have the engine, which came off of a rigid pressure washer. And of course, a custom exhaust with the custom Alice Chalmers snowblower chute back fender. And it's funny because now that it's all together like this, it's quite comfortable to sit on and everything, and it almost feels like it was meant to be that way. But anyhow, hope you enjoy looking at